You will need a plastic bag with no holes in it, 2 balloons, a pair of scissors, a scoop or measuring cup, and something to fill your beanbag with. I'm using rice, but you can use flour or beans or popcorn. Put about a half a cup of your filler into the bag. Hold the top of the bag with one hand and twist it closed with the other. Tie it in a knot and pull the knot tight. Cut off the extra end of the bag. Cut your balloon where the skinny neck meets the fat part. Do this for both balloons. Open your balloon and place the balloon over the plastic bag. It helps if you use your thumbs to guide it. Do the same with the other balloon. Give your new balloon friend a face and a name. And pat yourself on the back because you did it!